Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, guys, and we'll also talk about should you load up on Nvidia before the split. I mean, there's a lot of chatter in the market going on that Nvidia is going to $10 trillion market cap. It's going to fuel in a lot of activity. Things gonna spike up, gonna keep going up after the split, so in this video we'll take a look at all of that from the technicals perspective, and I'll provide my opinion as if where the technicals are right now on Nvidia. As you can see, this looks like a parabolic move. Nothing is slowing down here. We'll talk about what are the levels for it, if it can continue higher and higher up from here, or is it going to cool off, and if that cool off starts happening, what are the confirmation that we might see a little bit stronger pullback? Otherwise, can it just keep going higher and higher from here, and is this the time to still buy and before the split? All of those things we'll answer in this video. So guys, with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for educational purposes. All right, so all right then, guys, so what are we seeing right now is that Nvidia is, well, still full on bullish, a strong green candle. The reason the levels are not showing up here right now on the higher time frame like daily, just for the reasons that the sky is the limit right now. We haven't tapped out anywhere in the price action at this higher level. I'll show you there will be some levels on the lower time frames, but there's nothing on the higher time frame right now because we have pretty much haven't found any a tap out here. Things are still there's the sky is the limit. All right, it's in the open sky area right now. So yeah, you can clearly see, I don't even have to explain here that we are bullish. Yes, it's higher highs, higher lows, and this is more turning into a parabolic move, right? So can this continue higher? Well, that's the question. So let's go to before going to the hourly interval, I want to show you a couple of things. So my day trading bot, that's looking great today as well. Awesome money made. This is on the 5 minutes interval performance. But you can also, like, on 3 minutes, I usually follow these volatile stocks on 3 minutes. Now my bot also works on 3 minutes interval. And you can see again amazing moves on 3 minutes interval as well. Here's the data. Profitable positions today was $2,300 profit, so $2,300 profit. And net profitable last 30 trades is also profitable. And then this is the day trading bot. Let me show you the swing bot as well. And yep, swing bot, guys, on Nvidia closed PNL is 5,800 on this current open position, and the open PNL on this current position is at just shy of $9,000. I mean, yeah, because the bot is also giving now partial profits, right? You can see over here. So yeah, I mean, I'm loving it. I mean, I'm speechless. I mean, I think this is going to be the biggest profitable position in the last 30 trades on Nvidia here, if once this position closes. So this is already getting above almost well, wait, what? Yeah, $14,000. Wow, on this. Well, we have had, like, there was one position back over here, like the 10th trade from now, the last 10th trade. Max run on that was $18,000 and the closed PNL was $10,000. You can see here the last 10th trade, right? So that was also a great move. This is the trade 10 over here. But anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Now, again, these are only for educational purposes, okay? There is guarantee of nothing. You can see there are red trades as well. It's all about managing the position, and I just use the bot as a reference, nothing more than that. Again, you are solely responsible for your own decisions, your own risk, whatever you want to do. I use them under educational context and use them as a reference. That's all I want to say. All right. Now, so that's that. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about the price action over there. So on daily, we took a look at that. We are full on bullish. This is clearly there's just one red candle here, and this thing has been just cleanly going up and up and up. I'm not seeing any sign of slowdown here Let's do the intraday depth level high over here. And you can see that, yeah, any a pullback at this point, I talked about in my morning video as well when the price was right over here, this red candle almost. And I was telling you that, guys, if any pullback comes even to this $1,123 range, where this level is, that's just a pullback on this, and this will just go up, and we just got up. It didn't even look at the levels. So important. That's why, get my tools. These levels helps in identifying the important areas. But anyways, so that was that, right? And then at this point, it's full on bullish, guys. I mean, any pullback down here has a potential to be bought back up at 20 hours moving average down, even at like $1,123 as well, 1,123. There is no structural sign of the bearishness on this thing. I mean, it has to first start to lose one of these levels from here if we want to see any cool off. So right now, pullbacks are just a buy on this thing. I don't think this thing is going to break before split below 1085. I think this is a new area. It's going to stay above. We will see. Look, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. You have to have your stop loss, right? And but yeah, right now structure is bullish. Any pullback to 1123 is just a pullback. If the price action holds over here, it's just a pullback, and we can go higher up. Even a pullback to the 1106 is just a pullback. Yeah, it is that strong right now, guys. So yeah, Nvidia is literally unstoppable. Now the question is, should you load up before the stock split? Now, guys, here's the thing. Regardless, look, if you buy here, let's say one share at 1148, you are getting it at almost $114, the price after the split. Like, I would still wait for the pullback. I won't, well, not right now, but I want to buy the dividend ETF side of it. That is the YNVD. That is something I'm talking about on my dividend investing channel. Link to that channel is in the description below. But that's what I am interested in. But at this point, I would not buy. Even if it goes up without me, but I'm not going to buy at this price point. You can go and do whatever you want to do based on the levels I provided, or you can still go and do whatever you want to do, right? But yeah, it can continue higher without me. That's fine. But intraday trading and all those tradings, I already showed you my bot that I'm already doing. But if I want to load up and hold on to it, no, I'm not going to do that. My swing position is already taking out partial profits. These are the times to take partial profits, and intraday trading, whatever I'm doing, that's fine. But I'm not looking to start a new position. And as to load up here, that's your choice, actually. I would still wait for the pullback onto it, if any. But the thing is that, as I have been saying after this gap up here, that this thing is just going to stay bullish. Any pullback on this is just bullish. We never got any structure break, and even right now, I'm not seeing any structure break. I don't even know what to tell you here. There's nothing complicated right now, guys. Like, right now, there is nothing complicated on Nvidia that I can tell you that, oh, watch this level and that. It's just plain, yep, guys, pull back. If it holds the level, it's just bullish. It can just continue higher. It's so strong right now. It's so strong. In some ways, it makes it simpler as well, but I'm just saying that it's so strong that it's not even complicated anymore, right? So yeah, very simple, right? Just keep an eye on this $1123 level, and also 1106 level as well. But yeah, these are just the levels of pullback. That will not change the structure on it. If we have to see the structural change, pullbacks needs to come, and then we have to see consolidation develop, and then break of trend lines or whatever we will have to see. Then we can say, okay, some weakness is coming, but right now, no, things are super bullish on Nvidia. All right, so let me actually show you now QQQ and SPY. Let's turn these things off. And yeah, AMD, I talked about it in the morning. Check that video out. And ARM also I did talk, so check those videos out there on my channel. All right, QQQ, the same thing as I have been saying, that guys, that one red candle is not going to make things bearish. That's just a pullback. We have to see if this turns into a consolidation. and we are still not doing that. We haven't even closed a day before below one of any of the significant levels. For 454, we are above that. 449, we are above that. Not a single sign of bearish structure I'm seeing in the market. This thing is just so strong. Wow. Even on hourly interval, you can see we did get some pullback today, but you can see we got bought back up, right? So the structure will a little bit start to become again weaker if we break below 457 and some levels I gave in the daily interval as well, and then 454. That's the next level to watch. But yeah, until then this is still strong. And then if we start to break 451, then some weakness more may start to come. But right now, if we break above 460, it can just continue higher. But if we start to reject here, sell off, then we'll see that if this becomes a distribution phase. But these are the times to take profits. This is not the time to start a new position, but you can go and do whatever you want to do. Positions that were supposed to be taken were at those pivot points, as we were talking about those. Right over here, when I talked about all of it, that guys, this pivot is forming and we can continue higher, and we have been going higher. This is the time to take partial profits. Okie dokie. All right, well, all right, yeah, that's that. Now let's take a look at, guys, SPY, S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also being funny. Well, guys, also it all goes, credit goes to semiconductors, Nvidia, and all of these things that they are showing no sign of slowness, no sign of consolidations, and they've been just going strong. So on SPY, you can see that we had that bearish candle. But the structure is still holding strong. Okay, that's what I have been saying. There is not a bearish structure confirmation that I'm seeing here. We haven't even broken below 527, not even below 524. 524 is the area that may confirm this distribution phase if we lose that. If we are not losing it, then forget it. Even on hourly interval, you can see that today we were selling off, but we got bought back up at the level of 200 hours moving average, right? And this trend line of 527. So we are still bullish, guys. Weakness will only come, will little bit come if we lose 527, but if we continue otherwise, yes, just still bullish, and the times to buy are into these pullbacks as long as the structural and the levels hold, with the stop loss on the other side. All right, cool. That's it for this video. And guys, if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.